which significantly contribute to the success of the club's pre-pneumococcal vaccine program held today, January 17, 2026 at multipurpose hall of St. Benedict Subdivision in Barangay Nakaman, Quezon City. Would like to call Kuya Igor Jasper Busto.
Kuya Pres Jasper.
Kuya Jasper.
Yung mga kuya kasama rin ni Kuya Jasper.
Kuya Pong.
Kuya Pong. Yan. Ayos.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Daming press.
Thank you again, Kuya Jasper.
Yan, yung mga award po
For
doon sa
President
mga
Mandarakit, Elite Equalizer
kasama
Eagle
nating
Club,
tumulong dito sa
grateful appreciation of your
pneumococcal
outstanding support and
vaccine.
collaboration, which significantly contribute to the success of the club's pre-pneumococcal vaccine program held today on January 17, 2026 at the multipurpose hall of St. Benedict Subdivision in Barangay Nangka, Quezon City. We would like to call Kuya Igel Angelo Jose.
Kuya Pres Angelo Jose. O, yung mga kasama ni Kuya Pres. Yeah. Okay.
Congrats, Kuya. Thank you. And for the President of HOA, St. Benedict Subdivision ng Camarines City, in grateful appreciation of your outstanding support and collaboration, which significantly contributed to the success of the club's pre-pneumococcal vaccine program held on January 17, 2026 at the multipurpose hall of St. Benedict Subdivision in Barangay Nangka, Marikina City. So we would like to call Mr. Jess D. Aquino.
Kuya Pres ng HOA. Okay lang po, wala akong problema. Ganyan talaga sa buhay. Yan. Okay, congrats.
Thank you, sir. Thank you po. And for the next certificate of appreciation, grateful appreciation of your outstanding support and collaboration, which significantly contribute to the success of the club's pre-pneumococcal vaccine program held on January 17, 2026 at the multipurpose hall of St. Benedict Subdivision in Barangay Nangka, Marikina City. We would like to call Miss Rosalinda Osorio.
Osorio, Ma'am Rosalinda Osorio. Yan. Yan. Okay.
We would like to call also Miss Nancy B. Pastor.
Ma'am Nancy Pastor, yung nurse natin na nagtiyaga, masipag. Yan.
And Miss Levelyn M. Añete.
Ma'am Evelyn Añete, yan yung isa sa ano natin, yung midwife. Yan.
Thank you so much for si
Again, pwede tatlo nila sa...
Yung lahat po na may award, picture po, Kuya Pres.
Ito po mga ano muna.
Ay, yung mga nurse pa natin, doktor at nurse. Yan.
By the way, yung isa po, asawa ko po yan.
O, sama na po lahat, sama na lahat. Mga kuya, ate, sama na po lahat.
Eagle,
Yan.
please. Sama po, mga Eagles.
Sama na lahat.
Oh, yung pag-alit muna yan ang pagkakataon nyo.
Yan. Kain. Naka-video pa yan, naka-video. Tuloy na.
Iya! Nakali ka dito na. Dali! Dali ka rito! Dali!